Have you ever wondered if your home is truly clean? We all know how it's important to clean the usual spots like our kitchen counters, bathroom sinks, and living room floors. But did you know there are more nooks and crannies to clean up? The hidden corners in your home can hide more dust and grime than you realize. So let's check out these overlooked spots and give them a good clean. It's amazing how little attention can transform these spaces. First, we have the area under your kitchen sink. They're often dumping grounds for cleaning supplies and other miscellaneous items. However, they collect dust quite quickly. Take a moment to wipe things down and organize them. You can use small bins and shelves to keep them in order. Not only will it look so much better, but you'll have an easier time finding the things you need. Now, let's talk about the space behind your appliances, like your fridge and ovens. Dust and crumbs can accumulate there, so sweep and mop them up before they cause any problems to your appliances. And don't forget your light fixtures. They can also get dusty and grimy over time. This can reduce the light they give out. Simply wipe them down and you'll find your rooms brighten up. The space inside your closet needs some care as well. Don't let it be a chaotic sight. Take a day to dust the surfaces off, declutter, and reorganize. You might discover that you can store so much more inside. Last but not least, check your bathroom fixtures. For instance, shower heads often get neglected, but you need to clean any mold on them and unclog the mineral deposits. The space under the toilet and the drains need cleaning as well. So there you have it, a quick breakdown of your home's most overlooked spots. If you need help cleaning all these nooks and crannies, reach out to Kung Fu Helper anytime. With our expert cleaning services, our team can make your space feel fresh and inviting again.